What is up, YouTube ladies and gentlemen? This is MasterSgtBush, and it has finally arrived. Now, I am fucking pissed as fuck right now and excited as shit. Pissed because I come home and this is what's on my fucking doorstep. Now, I live in an apartment complex with an apartment next door, above, and pretty much everywhere, so at any point in time, somebody could have came up, read the label that says from Microsoft Corp, and stolen my Xbox One. So, fuck you, UPS. I hate every single one of you. Somebody's getting called, and somebody's hopefully getting fucking fired. Alright, so, let's get to the unboxing. Oh, what are these? Just some things. What's, yeah. Those are things, things that are cool to watch. Now, normally when you do an unboxing, you go to the kitchen and grab a knife, but that looks a little weak. Now, some of you might say, "No, that's not a knife." But guess what? That is a knife right there. Yeah, buddy. Look, it's as big as the box. Anyways, let's get to it. So, this is, well, fuck this knife. It's too goddamn big. This is the first console I've ever purchased, brand new, and it's the first ever launch console I've ever purchased, so hopefully there's no issues. I need a tripod or something. Ooh. Little receipt, you don't need that. It's got my address and shit on it. Alright, let me put this right there. Hey look, you see Jackson in the background swinging? Having a good old time? Hi baby. Alright, fuck this box. Who needs a box? Yeah, fuck this box. It's like Krusty Shirley. Yeah, buddy. There it is, in all of its glory. Ooh. And it was upside down, I guess, so there it is, right side up. Boom, chuck, boom, boom! Hi, Jackson. Hi, Jackson. Alright, back to it. So since there are stickers right here, I'm going to try not to destroy the entire fucking box. Even though UPS, just left it on my doorstep, and that could have happened fucking... Let's not even get started with that again. Alright, fuck that. Too impatient. Dun 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 dun. Oh, another flap. Dun 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 dun. Bow wow. Didn't want to drop the Xbox, so I kind of had to move the camera there. Boom. Connect right on top. That is fucking huge. There's a connect. Nice furry headset. Hey, calm down. Alright, let's try this again. And a nice clean headset and a baby crying in the background. Ooh. Controller wrapped up all nicely. Oh, yeah, I need a tripod. I need a tripod bad. I need a new camera and a tripod. Oh, yeah. And you see that? Day one. Yes, buddy. I got day one. HDMI cables. Yeah. Startup book. Ooh, Xbox sticker. Look, you got a free Xbox sticker. Power cord. Power brick. Good old power brick. Let's get to the fucking good stuff here, yo. Dun, dun, dun. Everything is black. Yeah. Well, where's the light? Let's put this right here. Yeah. Alright, so there we have it. Xbox One unboxed and thrown all over the floor. So I'm going to get this set up and record how the screen works. I'm all sweaty. You've been great. See you later.